Daycare module. This module is used to manage daycare activities, like small surgeries, lump operations, etc. Daycare is a facility where a patient wouldn't have to stay overnight, following a procedure. Cash payment settlement in daycare. When a patient is admitted, first we do daycare registration entry, for patient registration. Then we do daycare consultation entry. Book consultation for registered patient. For advance booking. After that we do daycare service entry, to charge the daycare services. Then receive payment via daycare receipt. Print final bill through daycare bill non-TPA entry. Third-party administrator payment process in daycare. Start from daycare registration entry, for patient registration. Or advance booking via daycare booking. Then we do daycare consultation entry, to book consultation. After that we do daycare service entry, to charge the daycare services. Then switch to TPA module. Receive payment in daycare bill TPA by CTO approval or receipt. When we receive amount from organization, then we do organization receipt entry. Then we settle daycare bill, through organization bill settlement. Then print daycare bill, in daycare bill TPA entry. Daycare registration. Register a patient who comes for hospital daycare services. Click on Add button. If patient is old or revisit, then click on Search Patient, choose patient which is already registered with UHID. The patient detail is auto-filled. You can do daycare registration directly, without search patient, if patient is new. Fill all these details here. Some fields are mandatory. Enter patient name, guardian name, mobile number, gender, address, and other details. Case, select general case, abnormal case, etc. Choose consultant name. Referred by. Empanelment. Choose cash patient, to receive payment in cash. In case of TPA, choose company name. Insert image of the patient. If patient under the package, then choose package. Packages are new schemes or offers, to attract new customers. You can create new package using Package Master. Save it. After daycare registration, we do daycare consultation entry. Here you can book consultation, for registered patient, for appointments. Click on Appointment, to book consultation for appointments. Click on Patient Search, to book consultation for registered patient. Choose consultant time. Enter consultation fees. Save it. You can print prescription, and last prescription. After daycare consultation, we do daycare services entry, to apply daycare charges. Click on Add button. Then click on Daycare Search, and select patient name. Double-click on Service, and choose service name. Enter service unit, and rate. Add more daycare services. Save it. If you want to cancel daycare services, you can cancel service, using Daycare Cancel Services. Click on Add button. Select patient name. All daycare services will show. Select service, to cancel it. Enter remark. And save. Now service is cancelled. After that we receive payment, using daycare receipt entry. Click on Add button, select patient name. Enter amount. And save it. To print daycare bill, click on Daycare Bill Non-TPA. Click on Add button, select patient name. Here you can see bill amount, with balance and pending amount. Pending bill is 0, this means payment is already received. Save it, to print daycare bill in detail, summary, category-wise, package-wise etc. TP a payment in daycare. Follow this flowchart, to accept payment form third-party administrator. Start form daycare registration. Note, choose company name and empanelment. Fill organization detail. Select insurance company name. Choose corporate employee. Policy number. Cardholder name. And relation. Save it. After daycare registration, we do daycare consultation entry, to book consultation for registered patient and appointments. Click on Patient Search, to book consultation for registered patient. Choose consultant time. Enter consultation fees. Save it. After daycare consultation, we do daycare services entry, to apply daycare charges. Click on Add button. Then click on Daycare Search, and select patient name. Double-click on Service, and choose service name. Enter service unit, and rate. Add more daycare services. Save it. Now we receive payment. To receive payment, you need to switch from Daycare module to TPA module. Then click on Daycare Bill TPA. This form is used to print daycare bill. Click on Add button. Select patient name. Bill amount is auto-filled, with balance and pending amount. We send request to organization to get the limit of card, and to approve bill amount. When bill is approved from organization, click on CTO approval, or click on organization approval. Enter the limit of insurance. Approval amount. Authority letter number which we get from organization. Save it. Refresh daycare bill TPA. Now you can see CPO approval amount here. 400 rupees is pending amount, which we get from patient in cash counter. Click on receipt, to receive pending amount in cash. Enter amount, and save it. Select payment method. Refresh daycare bill TPA. Now you see no pending bill. Save it. Now you can print daycare bill TPA. When we get amount from TPA, then we do organization receipt entry, to create receipt for received amount. Click on Add button. Select organization name. Select TDS account. Deposit in, select payment method. Enter received amount. Save it. Then we do organization bill settlement, to settle bill of amount that we get from TPA. Select the receipt number, which we get from organization receipt entry. Click on Add bill, choose patient name. Enter receipt amount. Save it. Approve it. Now revisit the daycare bill TPA entry. Now all payment is settled. Patient schedule follow-up. This form is used to follow up the patient schedule. Follow-up is an excellent way to monitor patient health, and to track clinical values. Select patient name. Patient has no schedule. So first you need to create patient schedule, using Patient Schedule Master in Master module. Then manage patient schedule for patient, in Manage Patient Schedule Master. Select patient name. Click on Add button. Select schedule time. Enter schedule date. Save it. Revisit patient schedule follow-up. Select patient name. Next schedule of patient will show. Daycare case summary. This form is used to fill routine, treatment detail, clinical notes, investigation advice, and medicine advice. Select patient name and fill routine detail. Clinical notes, investigation advice, and medicine advice. Save it. Daycare refund. If receive amount is more than the bill amount, you can refund amount using Daycare refund entry, or clicking on refund in Daycare bill non-TPA. Daycare discount. This form is used to give discount on daycare services. You need to fill discount percentage here. Master. Here you can create or edit nursing stations, room categories and rooms. Nursing Station Master. This form is used to create new station master. Click on Add button. Enter nursing station name. Nursing station name is mandatory, other fields are optional to fill. Enter floor number. Main department. Choose department like local department, pharmacy, housekeeping services etc., if any. New department is created in Department Master. Save it. Now new nursing station second floor is created. Room category master. This form is used to create new room category like OT, private room, emergency etc. Click on Add button. Enter room category name. Select room type. Credit limit. Warrant limit is optional to fill. Credit limit defines the limitation of transaction in a room category. 3,000 is limit for this room category. Warrant limit warns when amount is more than warn limit. When amount is more than 2,000, warn notification is showed. Save it. Room master. This form is used to create new room. Here we create emergency room number 1. Give short description of room. Select room category, which we are already created in room category master. Select nursing station. Save it. Now new room is created. Daycare registration. Register a patient who comes for hospital daycare services. Click on Add button. If patient is old or revisit, then click on Search Patient, choose patient which is already registered with UHID. The patient detail is auto-filled. You can do daycare registration directly, without search patient, if patient is new. Fill all these details here. Some fields are mandatory. Enter patient name, guardian name, mobile number, gender, address, and other details. Choose consultant name. Referred by. Empanelment. Cash patient is auto-select to receive payment in cash. In case of TPA, choose company name. Insert image of the patient. If patient under the package, then choose package. Packages are new schemes or offers to attract new customers. You can create new package using Package Master. Click on Add button. Enter package name, short name, and its nature. Save it. Create price list in this package, using Package Price List Master. Enable it, click on Package. Choose service and its quantity. Save it. Report. Here you can generate and print reports, like Daycare Register, Daycare Services Report, Discount Report, Consultation Report, Daycare Dues Report, Booking Report. Suppose if you want to print Daycare Register, click on it. Click on Filter, to filter report. Enter from date and to date. Select fields to filter report. Click on PDF, to download or print report in PDF. You can also download report in Excel or Word.